Hello, everyone. We have made it once again to another Friday, and I'm here to help save you some money and help keep you from being bored on the weekend. So, this week we've had a number of Android apps and games go on sale. And the first one on the list today is for Star Trek fans. It's an application called Stardate Pro. Typically costs $3, but you can get it for half off for a limited time. And keeping in with the star and space theme, we have a star map application called Sky Safari 6 Pro. Typically priced at $40, but for a limited time you can get it for a little over $26 right now. And for those who are looking for a new custom launcher, we have Alpha Launcher Prime, which typically costs $4, but you can get it right now for only $1. And now we're going to move on to the games. First up, we have Baldur's Gate Enhanced Edition, which is a fairly common game that goes on sale, typically priced at $10, but it goes on sale about once a month, once every other month, and you can get it for only $5 right now. Now, Monument Valley fans may want to check out a game called Mystic Pillars. It's from a different developer, but it has a similar aesthetic. The game typically costs $4, but you can get it right now, again, for only $1. Now, for anybody who is a fan of adventure games, we have The Lion's Song. Typically costs $5, but it's half off right now at only $2.50. And another fun little adventure game called Who Are You, Mr. Cooper? Only 50 cents off right now, but for $1, it's a pretty fun game. We have a platform action type game called Return State. Normally $5, but only $2 right now. And RPG strategy fans may want to know about Templar Battle Force. The game typically costs $10, but right now it's only $6. Now, anyone who is a fan of mystery, story-driven games should check out the game Her Story. It's a unique way of telling a story that's typically not shown in video games. Normally costs $5, but you can get it for only $1 right now. And board game fans, we have a game called Potion Explosion. Typically costs $3.50, but it's only $2 right now. So also on PlayStoreSales.com, I highlight a number of Android icon packs that are on sale. We have a number that have gone from $1 to absolutely free, as long as you buy the game and download it for free right now. It'll be attached to your account forever. And speaking of free, there are a number of premium apps and games that used to cost money. This week they've gone on sale for free, just like those icon packs. We have a audio recorder called Snipback that's currently free. We have a horror game called Hill's Legend that's currently free. Pandemia Virus Outbreak is currently free. A game similar to like a Pokemon, a monster capture type game, Evo Creo, is currently free. And a camera application called ProCam X is typically free right now. And these apps and games that used to cost money and are free right now are only free for a limited time. So if you go download these games now, they will be on your account forever. And to wrap up today's video, I want to point out 3 other sales that are happening. These are going to be published on the website later today, but they're currently on sale right now. We have Monster Hunter Stories. Normally costs $20, but you can get it for only $5 right now. We have a game called Unmemory, which typically costs $8.50, but you can get it for $4.50 right now. And last up, we have Age of History Africa, which is like a strategy RTS type game. Normally costs $1.50, but now it's only free. That wraps up our summary of Android application and game sales for the week. I hope everybody has a good weekend.